Hello guys, today we are tracking Winter Storm Nadia and Winter Storm Nadia. Nadia is coming down from over here. Still waiting for it. But Maya is right here. She's gonna make a track to over here. Yes, Boston, you're gonna get some snow. Also, I just came to give you the news, but there is a lot of new snow coming down from Nadia. And this, Maya still. When Nadia comes in, this is Maya over here. Nadia comes in, Maya goes out. I don't know if there's gonna be a winter storm because the next winter storm name is Oren. Oren is the next winter storm. Yes, these guys are gonna have more snow. Spokane, Washington too. The spots I'm highlighting are gonna get heavy snow, like the big spot there. This one a bit more because of the lake effect snow we're gonna have here. Syracuse, Santa Fe, a little bit. Santa Fe is gonna get snow, and Fargo is close to the line of bigger snow. During Winter Storm Maya, 2 deaths. I'm sorry to say talk about that, but 2 deaths. I know it's sad. Slippery roads kill people. Crashes. I know it's sad losing a person, but okay. So let it load. Nope, it's not loading. I'm just gonna oops. There we go. Look, this looks like a shark. That looks like a little shark, but okay. I'm erasing that. Look, here starts the patch of snow. Right here. Right here. They're having snow over here. I think I forgot to pause it, or is it paused? I don't know. This right now is lake effect snow. Also this. I think this comes from the ocean over here. We're never gonna have a nor'easter. Like, I don't think we're gonna have a nor'easter this year. When tornado season starts, we're gonna start tracking tornadoes, okay, guys? When hurricane season starts, we are going to track hurricanes. I'm sick. Sorry. Look, here's a big patch of snow. So those are like at 7 p.m. Monday, 7 p.m. I think that time already passed. Okay, yeah, I passed. Also, Onyx is the close to the snow here. This is the line for the I think for right now. Also we're gonna go to a bit more to the future. Let it load. Let it load still. Oops. There we go, the big spot. Another one over here. I'm gonna let it load and then pause it. This is from Winter Storm Nadia. They say. Tuesday. We're at Tuesday already. Whoa. Yesterday. This is the future cast. The rain snow line for Tuesday is this. That is the rain snow line. A lot of storms are gonna hit California. Nothing to see over here. That's not my location. I'm sitting here. Well, Nadine, Maya. This is the same thing. Maya, right here. Maya's over here. When Nadine moves in, over here. It's gonna hit the same spot. And Maya has traveled from over here. Oops. Why? Okay, my computer's acting weird now. I'm sorry, guys. Oops. I think this is the end of the video. Bye, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. We're gonna do a weather update every day. Just to say. Please subscribe and give the like to a video. Thank you. Bye.